In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Fusion 360 chamfer error and why it happens in the first place. If you've ever tried to apply a chamfer to an edge in Fusion 360 and suddenly get a feature failure message, you're definitely not alone. This is one of the most common modeling issues beginners and even experienced designers run into. The good news is that, in most cases, the problem is very easy to diagnose and fix once you understand what Fusion 360 is trying to do with the geometry. I'll walk you through the most common causes of chamfer errors and show you simple ways to fix them quickly. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Fusion 360 tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. The first and most common cause of a Fusion 360 chamfer error is that the edge is simply too small for the chamfer value you're trying to apply. When you add a chamfer, Fusion removes material along that edge. If the chamfer distance is larger than the edge itself, the resulting geometry would be impossible to create, so the feature fails. To check this, edit the chamfer feature and try reducing the distance value. In many cases, even a slightly smaller value will allow the chamfer to generate successfully. Another common reason chamfers fail is complex or curved geometry. Chamfers work best on simple straight edges. When the edge is part of a curved surface, an irregular shape, or a complicated intersection between multiple faces, Fusion 360 may not be able to calculate a clean chamfer surface. If you run into this issue, try applying the chamfer to a simpler edge first or breaking the operation into smaller selections. The next cause to look for is nearby features blocking the chamfer. If you have fillets, previous chamfers, or other features very close to the edge you're selecting, they can interfere with the operation. Fusion may not have enough space to create the new chamfer without overlapping existing geometry. In this situation, try temporarily suppressing or editing nearby fillers and then apply the chamfer again. Another thing that often causes problems is selecting multiple edges at the same time. Some edges in your model may support the chamfer settings, while others cannot. When Fusion tries to apply the same chamfer to all of them at once, the feature can fail completely. A quick way to diagnose this is to apply the chamfer to one edge at a time. This helps you identify which edge is causing the issue. Now let's look at a few simple ways to fix chamfer errors quickly. The first solution is to reduce the chamfer distance. Open the chamfer feature, lower the value slightly, and preview the result. Smaller chamfer spheres are much easier for Fusion 360 to calculate. Another useful method is selecting fewer edges. Start with a single edge and gradually add more once you confirm the chamfer works. This helps isolate problematic geometry. You can also remove or edit nearby features that might be interfering with the chamfer. Temporarily deleting or suppressing fillers often allows the chamfer to generate correctly. Finally, try changing the chamfer type. Fusion 360 allows you to switch between equal distance chamfers and two distance chamfers. Sometimes simply changing the chamfer type allows Fusion to calculate the feature successfully. Here's a quick tip to remember. Chamfer errors usually happen because the edge geometry cannot support the size or shape of the chamfer you're applying. So if you ever see a chamfer failure, the fastest fix is usually reducing the value or testing edges individually until you find the one causing the problem. And that's how you fix the Fusion 360 chamfer error. If this video helped you solve the issue, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Fusion 360 tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and CAD tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.